Deep in the mountains, under an ancient pine tree, a baby tiger named Hodam found a glowing lucky pouch. The moment the pouch opened, golden light surrounded him, and pop, Hodam landed in the middle of a lively Korean traditional market. What tickled his nose was the warm, savory aroma of bulgogi, Korean marinated grilled beef, colorful food stalls, and the gentle sound of people sharing a meal. Eohyung, this is not just food. This is a story from Korea. Today, Hodam begins his journey to discover bulgogi, Korean marinated grilled beef. Hodam is a curious baby tiger from a Korean mountain spirit village. With his round face, big eyes, short tail, colorful saekdong vest, tiny gat hat, and lucky pouch, he carefully walks through the market and sees people gathering around bulgogi, Korean marinated grilled beef. The charm of bulgogi, Korean marinated grilled beef, begins with its ingredients. Each flavor, texture, and aroma has a role. Alone, each ingredient may seem simple. Together, they become a warm and memorable Korean food story. Korean food is not only about filling the stomach. It carries seasons, care, family, and the joy of sharing. That is why bulgogi, Korean marinated grilled beef, feels special on the table. Hodam takes his first bite. His eyes sparkle. The flavor is warm, savory, rich, and comforting. Eohyung, now he understands why people love bulgogi, Korean marinated grilled beef. For viewers around the world, bulgogi, Korean marinated grilled beef, is exciting because it is not only something to taste, but something to experience. You look, smell, share, and enjoy. Hodam learns that food becomes even more meaningful when people share it. A meal can become a memory, and a memory can bring people back to the table. Today, Hodam discovered the taste, culture, and heart behind bulgogi, Korean marinated grilled beef. What Korean food should he discover next? Subscribe and join Hodam's next KFood adventure. Eohyung.